Welcome to Omni Academy and Consultants. My name is Abdul Rafa and I'll be your trainer for the day. Today we'll cover Financial Reporting Studio installation. Now there are certain prerequisites to download, install and run the Financial Reporting Studio. First you have to have Internet Explorer, then access to an EPM instance, and only then you can download, install and run Financial Reporting Studio. Now let's go to the instance and I'll show you how it's done. First you have to log into your instance using Internet Explorer. Allow once. Enter your username and password. And access your EPM instance. Now go to Tools, Install. Now you will see different offerings of Smart View, predictive planning, and etc. But you have, but we'll be covering Financial Reporting Studio, so we'll download that. Wait for the download to finish. Once the the download has finished, you open the folder and copy, or in fact cut the program files and paste it on your home screen. Now before running the Financial Reporting Studio installation, close all Internet Explorer, Firefox and Chrome tabs. If these are running, the installation won't finish. right click and run as administrator. Define a path. Now there are two ways you can access your Financial Reporting Studio from your desktop. Here you will have to enter your username, your password, your server URL, which is nothing but the instance URL which you're using. Or you can access it directly from your instance. Go to Tools, launch Financial Reporting Studio. Allow, and wait for this to launch. This is the interface of the Financial Reporting Studio. As you can see, we have successfully installed the Oracle Financial Reporting Studio. If you wish to create a new report or view existing report, if you wish to create a new report, you can access it from here. And if you wish to review the existing report, go to repository. Thank you.